Hello everyone, we welcome you all to our channel Harry's Kitchen. In today's program, we present you Ribbon Pakoda. Before viewing the program, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to that to get regular updates of our channel. Now, let's see today's program. Thank you. The ingredients required for preparing ribbon pakoda: gram flour, rice flour, butter, Asafoetida, salt as required, chilli powder, sesame seeds, murukku mold or press with a mold with two stripes like this. In a vessel, add gram flour, rice flour, sesame seeds, Asafoetida, salt as required, chilli powder, butter, and mix well. Sprinkle water little by little to make a stiff dough like this. Take a portion of the dough and put it in the murukku mold. Heat the oil in a pan. Drop a piece of the dough in the oil. Now the piece of dough gets fried and rises to the top of the oil. Now press the mold in a circular manner and fry the ribbon pakoda till it turns into golden brown color. Remove it from the oil and transfer to a plate on a paper towel so that the excess oil gets absorbed. Now, tasty ribbon pakoda is ready. If you like this program, hit the like button and leave your comments in the comments column and share our programs with your friends. Thank you.